Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll actually be talking about the Keychron K3 version 2, which is one of the most popular low profile keyboards from the world of Keychron. Now, one of the reasons why low profile keyboards are getting extremely popular is the form factor they come with. A lot of people adore mechanical keyboards but are turned off because of the bulk and height of the keys, which basically results in pain and discomfort from long hours of usage. So if you are a developer or a content creator or anybody who works for long periods of time on a keyboard but prefer the tactility and feedback that mechanical keyboards offer, low profile mechanical keyboards are the right way to go. Before we get any further, let's begin the unboxing. We have the Keychron K3v2 here and the palm rest, which comes in a separate packing. Let's put away the palm rest for the time being. One thing about the packing itself is it's really compact. So if you're shipping it from long distances like I did, then you're in luck. Let's quickly see what we have inside. I've ripped out the plastic cover just a moment back. So you have a foam protecting the keyboard, and then you have a flyer here that actually shows the configuration of the keys. It also gives you instructions on how to do various things with the keyboard. For example, using the various light effects, disabling sleep mode, turning off backlight, etc. Do take a look at this before you actually use the keyboard. And then before the keyboard, let's take a quick look at the accessories. You have the additional keys here, which are basically for you to move between Macintosh and Windows. And then you have a braided USB-C cable, which is basically to charge the keyboard. And then you also have a key puller as well as a switch puller. Let's see if you have something under the keyboard before we actually get to the keyboard. Alright, we have the manual here. Let's put that aside for now. We'll put away the box as well. Lo and behold, we have the Keychron K3 version 2 here, which comes, by the way, very neatly packed in a dust cover that I think is actually a nice touch. So we have the Keychron K3v2, which I think looks absolutely fabulous, and it actually feels really nicely built too. And I'm saying this coming from a Logitech MX Keys keyboard. Alright, let's now take a look at the palm rest. This is something that I ordered because I had to import this keyboard and did not want to miss out on the palm rest. Wow, this looks really nice. I think it's made of real wood. This should give you an ergonomic position for your wrists when you're using the keyboard for long periods of time. This is actually made for the K3v2, which means it's a perfect fit in terms of the width. Lets me rest my wrists comfortably when I use the keyboard. Looking at the specifications, the Keychron K3 is a 75% keyboard, which actually comes with 84 keys. It's actually made of ABS and an aluminum frame, which feels really sturdy, by the way. And then the keycap materials are ABS, but believe me, this is no inferior quality plastic. In terms of connectivity, this is Bluetooth compatible and can also be connected via a cable. This comes with a 1550 milliampere lithium polymer rechargeable battery. The physical unit is extremely compact, as you might have already noticed. This is actually the size of a normal ruler. It's just about 30 centimeters wide and roughly 11 centimeters deep, and weighs a little less than 500 grams. I've actually chosen the configuration that comes with hot swappable optical keys from Keychron, which comes in 3 different options: the red, the brown and the blue. I chose the red because I preferred something which is silent. I've chosen Keychron optical red switches, which are the least noisy. Let me give you a quick idea of how it sounds when I type into it. Let me now use the palm rest and show you how much more comfortable it is when you actually use support for your wrists. Now, one of the things that I'd like to leave you with is, while Keychron comes with multiple models, both for their normal range as well as the low profile keyboards, the K3v2 has 3 keys less than a 10 keyless keyboard, but is significantly smaller than the next biggest model, the K1, by a good 20%. So if you're looking for a compact keyboard that does most of what you can expect out of a laptop keyboard, but with the benefit of having mechanical keys, the K3v2 is an awesome choice. In fact, we have a couple of alternatives from other manufacturers, including, for example, the Newfie Air 75 or the ASIO Cascade, which is currently available for pre-order both on Kickstarter as well as on their own website. I'll leave links to all of this in the description below, but if you need any more information or if you have any questions or comments or feedback, please drop them in the comment section below. If you haven't checked out my review of the Logitech MX keys, please do that. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one.